The German armor industry is world-class, and with the invention of the PzH 2000 self-propelled gun system, they even outdid their own brilliant standards. Welcome to another video from War Secrets, in which we are going to take a look at one of the most impressive German war machines. So let's begin. The PzH 2000 is a German-made contemporary self-propelled howitzer. Following the cancellation of the SP-70 project, the German military requested the development of the PzH 2000. PzH 2000 stands for Panzerhaubitze 2000, which translates as Self-Propelled Gun 2000. The development of the PzH 2000 self-propelled howitzer began in 1987, shortly after the completion of the international self-propelled howitzer project SP-70 by German companies Wegmann and Mack. Polygon tests on the PzH 2000, Panzerhaubitze, translated as Armored Self-Propelled Howitzer, began in 1993. The German Ministry of Defense and howitzer manufacturers agreed in 1996 to develop the first 185 howitzers for Bundeswehr troops. The PzH 2000 is the most recent self-propelled howitzer to be serially constructed. Its design, however, is based on a traditional self-propelled field artillery unit, with the engine and transmission compartment located in the front. The turret and ammunition are in the back, with the engine in the front. The driver sits on the right side of the engine in the hull. The rest of the crew is seated in the fighting compartment. Many proven components from the Leopard 1 main combat tank are emulated in the chassis. The Rheinmetall 155mm L52 chromium-lined howitzer is attached to an automatic loader and a modular charger system created specifically for the PzH 2000. The PzH 2000 also includes a fully automated fire control system and capacity to fire multiple rounds at once. Excellent long-range shooting is made possible because of the 155mm L52 barrel. The PzH 2000 fired 20 rounds at ranges surpassing 40 kilometers during test firings for the Hellenic Army in May 2001. The ranges were attained by Nashem Denel of South Africa's M2000BB Assegai shells and the Rheinmetall DM72 modular charge system. A similar range was attained in live firings in Sweden in November 2002 using Rheinmetall's new long-range RH-40BB ammunition, which was also fired with the modular charge system. Due to the fully automated loading of charges and rounds, the burst fire rate is also quite high. 3 rounds may be shot in 9 seconds using the conventional 24-volt loading mechanism, with a continuous rate of fire of 10 rounds per minute. The optional 48-volt loader performs even better. The PzH 2000 has a high level of accuracy due to its modern fire control systems and muzzle radar. For self-defense, a 7.62mm MG3 or MAG machine gun is also installed on the turret roof. The PzH 2000 is equipped with an automatic fire suppression system, a nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system, as well as navigational and topographical systems. Data is sent between field artillery units using modern radio equipment on the battlefield. The PzH 2000 possesses quite a lot of armor protection for a self-propelled howitzer, as well as an all-welded and relatively thick steel hull. Add-on armor improves protection against top-of-the-line attack weapons. Its notable standard feature includes an NBC system, a fire suppression system, and smoke grenade discharges. Its ability to shoot and scoot increases its survivability even more. The PzH 2000 may begin a fire mission while moving, with the first round being fired a mere seconds after the vehicle comes to a halt. The PzH 2000's sprint speed allows it to escape swiftly after firing. For such a large vehicle, the PzH 2000 has excellent mobility. Cross-country performance is good thanks to the tracked chassis, and good propulsion is provided by an MTU 1000 horsepower diesel engine. While power is provided by an APU while the engine is not running, the dash speed remains fast despite the low power-to-weight ratio, especially when fully laden and equipped with additional roof armor. ESW Extel Systems Wedel provided the electrical gun control system, which included automatic elevating and traversing drives with semi-automatic backup, direct laying with electrical instrument control and manual control. Rheinmetall Detec designed the 155mm L52 cannon for the PzH 2000. The chamber volume is 23 liters and the barrel length is 52 caliber. The gun has a chromium-plated barrel and a semi-automatic lifting breech block with a 32-round standard priming magazine fitted into it. Muzzle brake and projectile case ejector are included in the barrel. Turret rotation and howitzer targeting systems are powered by electricity, which is safer than hydraulics. It also boosts the effectiveness of howitzers on the battlefield. The main cannon has a range of -2.5 to +65 degrees of elevation. Traverse has a 360-degree range. The gun's features, such as chamber temperature, are automatically monitored. A completely automatic shell loading mechanism with an ammo management system is also included with the PzH 2000. The 8-meter chromium-plated barrel is equipped with a slotted muzzle brake that increases muzzle velocity while reducing muzzle flash. The wedge-type breech block is equipped with an interchangeable priming magazine and an endless conveyor for automatic primer loading and unloading. The DM-72, a 6-zone modular propelling charge system designed by Rheinmetall Tech, allows for faster handling, less gun wear, less susceptibility to ignition dangers, and increased range. The propelling charge in the PzH 2000 is made up of 6 MTLS modules. The L52 gun's maximum range with maximum MTLS charges is 30 km, with the normal L15A2 cartridge and up to 40 km with aided projectiles. Honeywell Maintal manufactures the gun positioning and laying system, which is installed on the gun cradle. The technology determines the gun's direction, position, and elevation above sea level automatically. The PzH 2000's hybrid navigation system consists of an integrated GPS receiver and the vehicle's motor sensors. All conventional 155mm NATO projectiles, including nuclear, guided, and cluster, can be used by the PzH 2000. The maximum flying range of a standard high-explosion fragmentation bullet is 30 km and 40 km with an upgraded aerodynamic form projectile. The PzH 2000 automatic shell loading mechanism has a capacity of 60 155mm rounds. The rounds are automatically gathered up from the back of the vehicle and stowed in the 60-round magazine in the chassis center. Brushless electric servo motors produced by MOOG power the shell loading system. Pneumatically driven flick rammer, automatic digital control, ammunition supply management, and inductive fuse setup are all included in the automatic shell loading system. This allows 3 rounds to be fired in under 10 seconds and 60 shells to be loaded by 2 operators in less than 12 minutes, including the collection of ammunition data. During shooting tests in October 1997 with an upgraded autoloader, the PzH 2000 fired 12 rounds in 59.74 seconds and 20 rounds in 1 minute 47 seconds. A radar sensor determines the muzzle velocity automatically, which is employed in the firing control computation. In polygon tests, the automatic reloading mechanism produced a later rate of fire results. 3 shots in 9.2 seconds, 8 shots at 51.4 seconds, and 20 rounds in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, roughly 3 minutes. These findings show that a 2-man crew with high-level automatic aiming and reloading systems can work independently. There are now 2 extra loaders in addition to the commander and gunner, who must reload the gun if the reloading mechanism fails. The PzH 2000 can operate in an automatic mode, with a data radio link to an external command and control system. An onboard MICMOS computer supplied by EADS controls the autonomous firing control functions. Target engagements can be carried out by a 2-person crew using the automated mode. During the mission, the gun is automatically laid and relayed using the fire control data provided by the ballistics computer. Several backup options are provided to ensure system stability in the event of a component failure. An optical mechanical backup system is available as the lowest backup mode. The commander is equipped with a Leica PERI RTNL 80 panoramic periscope for under-armor operations and target designation in direct laying engagements. Day and night vision channels, as well as a laser rangefinder, are included in the PERI RTNL 80. For a direct laying of the cannon, the gunner is provided with a Leica PZF TN80 day and night direct fire sights. The PzH 2000 is powered by a German MTU 881 series multi-fuel diesel engine. The Renkfam created a hydromechanical HSWL transmission. The engine and transmission are combined into a single module, making maintenance and repair on the battlefield much easier. The PzH 2000's 736 kW power pack comprises an 8-cylinder direct injection, supercharged MTU MT881 KA500 diesel engine, and a 4-speed Renk HSWL 284C gearbox located at the front of the hull. A 420-kilometer cruise range is provided by 3 fuel tanks. When the main engine is shut off, the self-propelled howitzer features an extra engine that serves the crew. The PzH 2000 gets a top speed of 45 km per hour in cross-country conditions. The maximum speed on the road is 60 km per hour. It can handle 30-degree slopes, 1.1-meter vertical steps, and ditches up to 3 meters wide. It fords 1.5-meter deep water obstacles that are unprepared. The PzH 2000 is utilized by several European countries, with Germany being the most common use. Even though it was introduced after the Cold War ended and demand changed to lightweight wheeled self-propelled howitzers, the PzH 2000 sold successfully. The PzH 2000 is still in use today. The German Army's total requirement has been lowered from 450 to 260 units. The Italian, Dutch, and Greek armies have also chosen PzH 2000. Between July 2003 and June 2004, the Greek army received 24 systems. As part of Operation Medusa in Afghanistan, the PzH 2000 completed its first live-fire combat mission with the Dutch army in September 2006. 3 PzH 2000s provided fire support at a range of more than 30 kilometers during operations against the Taliban. This brings today's video to an end. We hope you liked it. If so, don't forget to subscribe to War Secrets and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our channel. See you in the next video. Ciao.